ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ದ ಸ್ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಮೊಲಾರಿಟಿ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್. The alcohol which is used as an antifreeze for automobile radiator is ethylene glycol. Atomic size of 4D and 5D series elements are almost the same due to lanthanide contraction. People who consume lot of salty food will suffer by edema. Zinc, cadmium and mercury are termed as dash elements. Non-transition. Yellow dye formed by the coupling reaction between aniline and benzene diazonium chloride is para-amino-azobenzene. Inversion of cane sugar is an example for dash first order reaction. Pseudo. The boiling point of a solvent dash when a non-volatile solute is dissolved in it. Higher. With the increase in pKb value, basic strength decreases. Alkyl magnesium halide is commonly known as dash reagent, Grignard reagent. For a first order reaction, the half-life period is dash of initial concentration of the reactants, independent. The hormone glucagon tends to dash the glucose level in the blood, increase. Half-life period of a zero order reaction is dash proportional to the initial concentration of the reactant directly. Zirconium and hafnium have a almost dash atomic and ionic radii equal. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is commonly known as picric acid. The chlorofluoro compounds of methane and ethane are collectively known as freons. The rate of a reaction increases with increase in dash due to the increase in number of activated molecules. Temperature. The oxidation state of chromium in potassium dichromate is +6. Hinsberg's reagent is, that is C6H5SO2Cl, that is benzene sulfonyl chloride. Mesh metal is an alloy of lanthanide element. Phosgene is commonly known as carbonyl chloride. Dash is a mixture of two or more liquids whose proportions cannot be altered or changed by simple distillation. Azeotrope. Dehydrohalogenation is also called beta elimination. The product formed when aniline reacts with sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid at 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin, benzene diazonium chloride. The commercial alcohol is made unfit for drinking by adding pyridine. Dash explains the dissolution of carbon dioxide gas in soft drinks under pressure. Henry's law. Dash is the difficulty caused to the scuba divers if they carry atmospheric air. Bends. Dash disease caused to the people living at high altitudes or mountain climbers due to low concentration of oxygen in blood. Anoxia. The solutions which obey Raoult's law over the entire range of concentrations are known as ideal solutions. The semi-permeable membrane used in reverse osmosis is cellulose acetate. The cell in which chemical energy is converted into electrical energy is called galvanic cell. Dash mole of electron is required for the reduction of 1 mole of silver ions. 1. The equivalent conductance of electrolytic solution dash with a decrease in concentration increases. The energy required to form activated complex in a reaction is known as activation energy. The substance which increases the rate of reaction is known as catalyst. The central atom and the ligand attached or enclosed in a square bracket is collectively termed as dash sphere coordination. Equimolar mixture of D and L isomers of a compound is called racemic mixture. Isopropyl benzene is called cumin. Glucose can be converted into ethanol by using the enzyme zymase. Formalin is used to preserve biological specimen. The acid present in ants is formic acid. Amines are dash in nature, basic. The NH2 group in aromatic ring is activating. Bleeding gums is due to the deficiency of vitamin C. The water insoluble component of starch is amylopectin. The bone deformities disease in children is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D. The hormone which regulates the blood sugar level in the body is insulin. The nitrogenous base present only in RNA but not in DNA is uracil. Dash is called fruit sugar, fructose. Corrosion of iron occurs in the presence of water and air. When blood cells are put into hypertonic solution, they shrink. Two solutions having same osmotic pressure at a given temperature are called isotonic solution. A solution in which no more solute can be dissolved at the same temperature and pressure is called saturated solution. When a solute is present in a trace quantity, the suitable unit of concentration is ppm. Dash electrode which does not participate in chemical reaction but provide their surface for oxidation or reductions and for the conductance of electrons. Inert. The optical inactivity of racemic mixture is because of compensation of equal percentage of positive and negative forms. Tertiary amines have low boiling point than primary amines and secondary amines due to the absence of hydrogen bonding. Molecularity of the reaction is always whole number. Reverse osmosis is used in dash of water, desalination. The number of peptide bonds present in a dipeptide is 1. Lucas reagent is a mixture of anhydrous zinc chloride and hydrochloric acid. Dash are foul smelling substances, isocyanates. The representation of rate of reaction in terms of concentration of reactants is known as dash, rate law. Aniline is dash basic than ammonia, less. Osmotic pressure can be increased by increasing the number of solute. Van't Hoff factor for a solute is more than 1 indicates that the solute undergoes dash in a solution, dissociation. Water soluble component of starch is amylose. Lanthanide contraction is due to increase in dash, effective nuclear charge. Glycerol is an example of alcohol. The poisonous gas formed when chloroform is exposed to air and light is phosgene. The number of molecules taking part in the elementary reaction is called molecularity. In a multi-step reaction, rate of reaction depends on slowest step. In DNA, the linkages between different nitrogenous bases are glycosidic linkage. The number of collisions that take place among reactant molecules per second per unit volume of the reaction mixture is called collision frequency. All natural and artificial radioactive decay follows dash kinetics, first order kinetics. Molar conductivity decreases with decrease in concentration for non-electrolytes. When an electrolytic solution conducts electricity, the current is carried by cations and anions. The best way to prevent rusting of iron is making it cathode. Morse salt is a double salt. Chlorophyll is a coordination compound of magnesium. ADP and ATP differ in the number of phosphate units. Lower aliphatic amines are soluble in water due to the presence of hydrogen bond. Amines behaves as Lewis base due to the presence of lone pair of electrons. Dash are the ions or molecules bound to the central metal ion in the coordination entity, ligands. pKb value of ammonia is dash than aniline, more. Collision theory is applicable to bimolecular reactions. In the hydrogenation of oils, dash used as catalyst, nickel. Azeotropic mixture of water nitric acid has 68% nitric acid. The catalyst used in manufacture of polythene, Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Van't-Hoff factor for a solute is less than 1 indicates that the solute undergoes dash in solution, association. In amino acids, CONH bond is called peptide bond. The reagent used to confirm the presence of carbonyl group is 2,4-DNP hydrazine. Carboxylic acids exist in a dimeric form even in vapor phase due to hydrogen bond. Dash is used as antiseptic for dressing wounds, iodoform. The chemical formula of Freon 12 is dichlorodifluoromethane. The arrange of ligands in a series in the order of increasing field strength termed as dash series, spectrochemical series. Complexes in which a metal is bound to more than one kind of donor group is called heteroleptic. Acid catalyzed hydrolysis of sucrose is a pseudo first order reaction. Dash battery is commonly used in automobiles and inverters, lead storage.
ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಾದರೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದೇ ಥರ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ.